Hi, I'm Tim Sandefur from the Pacific Legal Foundation. Today we're celebrating a victory for economic freedom in Oregon. That's where we were challenging the constitutionality of an occupational licensing requirement that governs how moving businesses operate. You see, when you want to open a new moving business in Oregon, you first have to get a license from the Oregon Department of Transportation. When you file an application for such a license, however, the department notifies all the existing moving companies and gives them the opportunity to object. And when an objection is filed, which always happens, it's your duty to show that there is a public need for a new moving company in Oregon. How do you show such a thing? Well, nobody really knows. The Department of Transportation has never really said what constitutes a public need or what kind of evidence is relevant or how you go about proving such a thing. That's why we filed a lawsuit last year on behalf of Portland College student Adam Sweet, who founded a business called Two Brothers Moving. We challenged that law as a violation of the constitutional right to earn an honest living, a right guaranteed by the 14th Amendment to the Constitution. And in January, a federal judge denied the state's request to throw that case out of court. Meanwhile, the state legislature decided to take action, thanks particularly to Senators Larry George and Senator Rick Metzger. The legislature decided to repeal this absurd and intrusive licensing requirement and replace it with a simple rule that says, as long as you have insurance and other simple requirements, you can try your hand at the moving business in the state of Oregon. This is really a welcome change from what appears to be today's trend of squashing economic freedom and replacing it with more and more intrusive government, particularly in the state of Oregon, which is suffering record high unemployment at this point. We at PLF are primarily concerned with vindicating the constitutional right of entrepreneurs to open their businesses, run their businesses, and keep what they earn. These people are the wealth creators of our society, and Pacific Legal Foundation's Economic Liberty Project is devoted to respecting and protecting their rights in courts across the country. If you'd like to learn more about Pacific Legal Foundation or about the Economic Liberty Project, please check us out on the web at pacificlegal.org.